Okay, Crafty Cuties. We're at Hobby Lobby. Okay. I'm here for some Tim Holtz and for a few Christmas presents for my niece and Arlo. Just saw this sweatshirt. She's obsessed with Hello Kitty. Ooh, 44. No, thank you. I don't care if you're 50% off. That's expensive. So last time I was here and I filmed a video, my video got demonetized because of the music in the background, so hoping that's not the case. These are cute little Hello Kitty socks. These are $6.99 and 50% off. I think I gotta get a pair for Arlo and my niece. If you guys use fake trees, do you like these scent sickles? I use them every year, but this year, when I put our tree up, our tree smelled so strong from last year's, so they actually last a long time. Oh yes, they smell like such yummy Christmas. Okay, this is what I'm here for, Tim Holtz. Now, I'm here for his collage paper rolls. Don't let me down, sir. Now, last time when I was here, I mentioned that I saw the 40% off sign. And a lot of you mentioned that that wasn't for Tim Holtz, but why do they have it right over this section? That doesn't make sense. I do get that it says Paper Studio and Happy Planner, but like, why is it? That's just the silliest thing ever. I do normally read the signs also, but yeah, I didn't this time, or last time, but now I know. So, I'm not seeing the rolls, darn it. I was curious what these were like though. Let's take a little peek. Sticker book. Okay, so yeah, it's just little stamp stickers. They're cute. So they have this pack of collage papers, and there are 30. I do like them because they're flat, but I prefer the roll. I think you get more for your buck. I'm also doing a lot of embellishments with the Tim Holtz ephemera that I have in my stash, and I was trying to figure out and make sure that I have enough, and I do think I do. Okay, I'm going to keep looking for the collage papers. I have noticed though that sometimes here at Hobby Lobby they have the Tim Holtz stuff kind of spread out. So I'm still hopeful, but I grabbed the 2 packs that I saw of the collage paper just in case. I'll make that work if that's all I have. Yeah. Let's see. But I'm thinking it might be. I will show you, so I'm gonna try to make a little craft pack for my niece Riley, and I will show you what I end up getting for her. I think it would be a fun gift for any kid that likes crafty stuff, kind of like a little starter kit. Ooh, these little tabs are cute. I know they're meant for planners, but they would be really cute in journals too. If you guys haven't tried Paper Studios die cuts yet, these packs are really good, and they're $4.49, but they're typically 40% off, and so they're a really good buy. Then they also have these packs, which we're gonna take a little peek at some of them because, let's see, they say vinyl clear removable stickers. These are really cute, but they have so many different prints that I wanted to take a look. These are also a really good buy. These are just really pretty florals. And I was curious, is this a Christmas pack? Oh, it's so cute. I wish I had seen this. Oh, it has different holidays actually. Whoops, we're not focused. Yeah, it has different holidays in that pack. Very cute, kind of vintage, not focusing again, vintage prints. But I'm curious about this one that has some mushrooms. also not wanting to focus on these. Those are so cute. Okay, let's start grabbing everything for my little craft pack. I didn't want to keep filming in the Hobby Lobby because the music is just so loud in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you everything I got, and I will take out the things that are not a part of this little craft pack. But I think that this would be such a fun idea, like I was saying, for any like beginner craft or even like a child. So let's take out the things that are not a part of it. I got some stocking stuffers for my kids. So I got these little Hello Kitty socks for my daughter. I don't know, these were kind of cute, fun pens for my son. He likes different pens. They are Christmas Vacation 2 quote pens. Let's see. And then I ended up getting these 2 collage paper packs. And if you didn't know what I was talking about, I was looking for the rolls. I already have this one and I needed another one, but I'm gonna see how much I can get out of this. They were only $4.99 a piece, and they each have 30 of these squares, so it might be enough. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what I got. Oh, one of these is for my daughter. Okay, and I'm gonna add a few things in here and I'll show you that at the end as well. So I wasn't sure if she had her own pair of scissors. She probably has some at my sister's house, but I thought it would be fun for her to have her own pair. And these are, it has like a fun jelly handle. So I just thought that would be really fun. Dollar Tree would be another really good place to get a bunch of things from. I just was already going here. I thought this would be fun to include because it's like more of a actual little project for her. I think that when you just have craft supplies, it can be a little overwhelming and you're like, yeah, but what do I do with these things? So I got this for her where you color these in, and then you can hang these from your door or hang them on your wall. So I thought that would be fun. And they come with these markers, which are probably kind of cheap markers. I'm going to try to get her a pack of gel pens and I think maybe a couple other things from the Dollar Tree, but I got her this watercolor set. Now they have the really, really cheap ones for kids, but this was only $6.49. It was like $1 more. And I feel like if you can just splurge a little bit more, even the packaging on this is going to be so much nicer. Let's open it up and see. Yeah, honestly, so it has the little pans, and then you can put this over here. So it has, you know, a good amount of colors. Ooh, a white watercolor in the little tube. And then of course the brush is probably not going to be the best, but it'll be fine for this set. So I was excited to find that. This was actually 40% off as well. So yeah, it ended up being like, I don't know, I think it was like $4 or something like that. I got her one of these little activity kits. You know, it just comes with some stickers and whatnot, specifically because she loves Hello Kitty. More stickers, again, Hello Kitty, but I thought that this would be kind of a fun thing for her to be able to use and put on the papers, whatever. This was just a clearance item. I wasn't planning to get her a whole pack of paper, but when she was at my house last, she used so much paper and was making like little cards and things, so I thought I'll just get her a whole pack. Oh, I forgot. This was for me. I got that for my stash. I'll open that up in a minute. But I did get her this because I know she likes sunflowers. And these, I believe, are, yeah, they're stickers. So they're going to be easy to use and they're so pretty. But the other like activity idea that I had was I feel like card making is such a great place to start when you're a kid or a beginner. And having like card bases already and the envelopes, I think it's a great place to start with creating and getting a sense of what your style is, because she could easily take a sticker, put it on here, or she could watercolor the background. So that is what I got. And like I said, I might get one or two more things at Dollar Tree, including some glue, because I think I got everything else to get her started. So I'm going to get her some glue, and then, yeah, maybe a few more things from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to add in some string. Maybe she wants to use it on the cards. These are things from my stash, by the way. A little washi tape, because that's just fun to use in crafting. This is a washi tape sticker set. I got this one from the washi tape shop and I just have so much, so I thought I'd get rid of that. These little frames, again, maybe for cards or whatever she wants to make. And a little pack of stickers. So then the great part is putting it in this little scrapbook case, $3.99. And then she has everything here. She can keep it all in one spot. It's not going to be a mess all over her house, so her mother doesn't want to kill me. And she can just put it under her bed or wherever. And then she can also bring it with her because it's easy to travel with. And I think this would be great, even like if they go on a car ride, she could bring this, and then you have a little table to work on as well. So I'm really excited to give that to her. It's so fun to shop for the girls. But let's open this up real quick. I have got this pack before, but it's been a while, so I just want to show you the quality of these are so nice. They're really thick cardstock, first of all, a really great variety. So there's lots of butterflies, lots of different shapes. So like you have some little birds and some bigger birds. You can see they are glossy, so that's the only thing if you don't like, but a lot of the die cuts that I get anyways are glossy. The butterflies though are so pretty. And I feel like it's just a really nice like botanical type pack. Yeah, I've already used up a complete pack a while ago, and I just thought these would maybe go good with something that I was making right now. They were 40% off as well. And then you get some larger pieces as well, larger floral pieces. So that's everything I got. It was fun to bring you guys along. Let me know if you can think of anything else that you would include in a little beginner craft pack. I should add this up, but I definitely think I maybe spent around $30. I'm just guessing. I would say around 30 or less. So I think that's a good, I'm going to add it up and maybe I'll put it in the title. But that's it, guys. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.